Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are featuring the Britax Grow With You Clicktight Plus Booster Seat. This is a great option for toddlers who are growing into big kids. We'll start by highlighting some aesthetic features. It has 4 cup and snack holders to keep drinks and snacks within your child's reach. It has 2 recline positions to make sure that your child is comfortable, as well as a 9-position harness and headrest. This assures that your child fits into the seat properly as they grow. Now we'll go over to the safety features they've included. It has an industrial strength steel frame plus 3 layers of side impact protection. Its energy absorbing shell and foam lined headrests protect your child's neck, head, and torso. Their patented SafeCell technology creates a crumple zone in the car seat base that helps absorb crash energy. Has a V-shaped rear tether to help slow and reduce a forward movement during a crash. Now we will go over installation processes. If your child is 25 to 65 pounds and 34 to 49 inches, you will use the built-in harness. For Clicktight seatbelt installation, begin by unrolling the excess tether fabric on the back of the seat. Lift the adjuster to extend the V-tether strap. Place the booster seat forward facing on the vehicle seat and pull the tether strap around the vehicle headrest. Move the harness straps out of the way by tucking them behind the armrests. Lift the back fabric so you can access the Clicktight slots and pinch to open. Route the vehicle seatbelt along the belt path. There are green labels to help you do this. Buckle the seatbelt and remove any slack, making sure that the belt isn't twisted at all. Close the Clicktight door until it locks. Now attach the V-tether hook to your vehicle's anchor. Pull out any slack in the tether and use the attached elastic band to secure any excess tether. Check your installation, making sure that the car seat does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. For latch installation, you will follow the same process with placing the V-tether around the vehicle's headrest. Again, move the harness straps out of the way, open up the back fabric, and pinch the inside Clicktight slots to open it up. From here, open the storage compartment in the bottom of the seat and remove the lower anchors by pushing the red buttons. Route the lower connector strap along the belt path that is marked with those green labels. Press the lower connectors on each side into your vehicle's seat's lower anchors, making sure that they click. Pull the end of the lower connector strap to tighten it, then shut the Clicktight door until it locks. Again, attach the V-tether hook to the anchor of your vehicle's seat and pull out any slack in the strap. Secure extra strap fabric with the elastic band. Check your installation, making sure that the car seat does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. For kids 40 to 120 pounds and 44 to 63 inches tall, you will use the latch method that we just went over to connect the booster seat to the vehicle seat. From there, store the harness away by tucking the harness straps inside the seat itself. Raise the headrest tall enough to suit your child. Route the vehicle seat through the red shoulder belt guide and buckle it. Make sure that the lap belt goes underneath both armrests. Now your child is ready to go. Overall, the Britax Grow With You Clicktight Plus is a great forward-facing to booster seat option. Their installation technology makes it easy to know that your child is safe. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to shop this car seat or any other car seats, go to babycubby.com. If you'd like to learn about another Britax car seat that we carry, click this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.